animal-loving friends, and then Emma will introduce the 3 plays of the pageant. And after the pageant, we invite everyone to stay for refreshments. So let's begin.
Hearts full of riches, just the thing. These 3 wise cats will bring the king. These 3 wise gifts. Yeah, 3 wise gifts. Well, said that first wise cat, she said, look at that. Cats, do you see what I see? Well, I want that little gift. I want that little gift. Hey, cats, say, what gift for me? Yeah, 3 wise gifts. 3 wise gifts. Well, they followed angels from up above, and 3 wise cats came to bring their love, and 3 wise gifts for Jesus brought by. 3 wise cats. 3 wise cats. Well, said that first wise cat, she said, cats, look at that. Cats, do you see what I see? Well, I want that little gift. I want that little gift. Hey, cats, say what gift for me? Yeah. 3 wise cats. 3 wise cats. Well, they followed angels from up above, and 3 wise cats came to bring their love, and 3 wise gifts for Jesus brought by. 3 wise cats. 3 wise cats.